morning, good evening, good afternoon. If you're new here, my name is Danielle and welcome to the vlog. Hi guys, so I don't really have anything planned for today. I am going to finally use like some of the things that I got for Christmas, and I'm also going to try to make a snow globe. I don't know how it's gonna go because I have to use a hot glue gun. I have never used a hot glue gun before, and my mother isn't home to tell me what I'm supposed to do, so I'm just gonna wing it and hope that I don't screw something up. But yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. This Dollar Tree bag that has been sitting under my little futon for the last like half month, something like that, is finally going to get put to use. Snow globe, cute little figurines that are gonna go in the snow globe, and of course, fake snow. The glue gun. I'm so glad that this came with instructions because otherwise I would have like absolutely no idea what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so I need to glue my figurines first. Let's do this. Excuse me, sir. You're kind of like sitting on the space that I wanted to use. Can you like move over? No? All right. So I'm low-key using an old Lego box as like a workspace, but it's fine. So I am waiting for the hot glue gun to heat up because I looked it up on WikiHow and you're supposed to wait like 5 minutes and then it'll heat up. Oh wait, I think it's ready. Okay, I need to open the figures. That worked so well. Okay. I'm not sure this will all fit on here. Okay, I can pick like one. This dude and the bridge can like kind of fit. This dude is just not happening. I think this is how we're gonna set it up. Okay, so I was having some difficulties because I, like an absolute idiot, decided to skip the first step. And it's like you have to sand this and the like thingy. Okay, so I was supposed to sand the bottom of the little pieces and the top of the like base of the snow globe, and I didn't do that because I was like, it'll probably be fine, but it was not fine and it wouldn't stick. So what I did was I glued a piece of cardboard to the base, and then I glued this little thing onto the cardboard because the cardboard already has grooves. And I did look for like a thing to sand with, and I couldn't find one. So this was like our best option. And yeah, it's what's done is done. This is what happens when you start winging things and when you don't follow the instructions, because for some reason I can never follow DIY instructions to the letter. And this is why they always end up kind of sour like funky. But anyway, now we're gonna glue this bad boy on. Okay, so now I'm supposed to be adding water into this. I think that's when we're also supposed to add the fake snow, but it doesn't say anything about fake snow, so I'm not entirely sure, but I feel like that's when you're supposed to do it. So we're gonna fill this with water and then dump some fake snow in there, and then we're gonna glue this really fast and then shove it in, because if you don't like put it in fast, then the glue is already dry. This is the snow globe right here, resting somewhat precariously, but we are gonna ignore that. What are you guys doing? Sit. There you go. My little DIY buddy. No. There's hot glue up here, buddy. We're gonna open this and try not to have it like a disaster like the glitter was. And we ripped it. Oh, I got fake snow all over my... Okay. Well, it's open, so let's pour it. Either this is definitely not as easy as it seems, or I'm just like really, really bad. Okay, so what I need to do next is just absolutely cover this in glue. Okay, it's on and these are in, and I need to put a little bit of glue around this edge so that it doesn't like leak once you actually turn it over. Okay. And now this needs to set for a hot second. I need to unplug the glue gun. I somehow touched the glue and didn't burn myself, so I don't know if that's what's supposed to happen or if I'm supposed to be like dead right now, but yeah, let's wait. Oh, I'm slightly concerned about the fake snow because it all seems to be kind of like sitting on top of it. Maybe once I shake it, that will change. Also, oh my gosh, wait guys, I need to show you my Lego flowers. Hold on. So these are my Lego flowers. They were like super complicated to build, but they're literally so cute and I'm obsessed with them. Okay, so it doesn't say specifically how long you're supposed to wait. It just says let it dry thoroughly. I think it's dried pretty thoroughly, so we're gonna put the little exterior onto it. Ooh, okay, snow, snow. Please don't leak, please don't leak, please don't leak. Ooh! Oh my gosh! Guys, I did it! I made a snow globe! What? I'm so happy! Dude, that is so cute! I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day. This is my achievement. I need to find somewhere in my room to put this. It looks so cute! Mr. Chunk, how do you feel about this amazing DIY that I have created? He totally loves it. My brother's still here and we're gonna go to Walmart and grab a bunch of like random things. Then we're gonna get food and I think we're getting ice cream, not totally sure. But yeah, and it is still like 17 degrees outside, so we're dressing real comfy, real warm, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. This is literally the outfit, like the warmest pants I have and the fuzziest socks. So yeah, because I don't want to freeze. Love family trips to Walmart. GBs, how do you feel about losing to a computer?
Tired.
Tired? That's how you feel about losing to a computer?
Tired of this crap.
Okay, everyone. So we just had like a little family game night kind of thing. Well, sibling game night going on. And now Irene and I are going to build our Lego sets that we got for Christmas. So I'm working on the office right now. And I've made Michael's office. And it's literally like a perfect replica for one. And it's got so... Zelda, please. And it's got so many little inside jokes everywhere. And it's just like, it is perfection. Okay, so this is the progress that I have made. This was literally 2 bags full. And there are like 10 bags. So yeah, this is like a good deal of progress, I would think, even though it doesn't look like much. But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now, so that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so we can hang out every single time I post. And I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year, and I will see you in the next one.